gentleman and lovely lady, you've of course made this new series, this original series for Amazon called Mirzapur. I'm going to start by saying I got the opportunity to watch 2 episodes before we chat today, so my sort of knowledge of it is सिर्फ 2 episodes per is based, but I really enjoyed it. I have to say that I do feel there's a sort of cloud of Wasipur, gangs of Wasipur hanging over it, but apart from that, it's just such a joy to watch such good acting. What an incredible cast, yourselves and of course the extended cast. Just every character, every actor rightly cast, wonderful performances. I'm going to ask you, what were you drawn to? In a nutshell, this is of course a story that's set in Mirzapur, the badlands of Uttar Pradesh. It's the story of, depending on which way you look at it, it's the story of 2 brothers and how they're sort of sucked into a world that they sort of wanted to stay away from. But that's all I've gathered from 2 episodes. What attracted to each of you? वो क्या चीज़ थी स्क्रिप्ट में या प्रोजेक्ट में जिसे सुनकर पढ़कर you all felt I'd like to do this?
Writing.
Yes.
I think the biggest thing for me was writing. Writing was key, and all the way, not just at decision making time, but I think through the whole process, writing का बहुत बड़ा खेल था. For me, that was
Did you
my
all have
bind.
all 9 scripts, all
yes.
episode scripts?
Yes.
Yeah, except.
What?
There's a little joke
Don't
here.
bring-
little joke.
We can't reveal that.
No, tell.
unfortunately.
अच्छा.
But yeah, इनको last में कुछ चीजें नहीं
हाँ,
मिली थी.
कुछ लास्ट में चीज़ें मुझे मिली नहीं थी. But I think writing, as Ali said, writing. I read the first 6 episodes and I knew that this is what I had to do. And working with Excel again, obviously. So it was the same
This is
team
after
working
Dil Dhadakne Do.
after Dil Dhadakne Do and after Made in Heaven.
That's right.
So yeah, in Puneet Krishna and Karan Anshuman and Vineet Krishna, matlab Puneet Krishna, they are brothers. They've set up that world so beautifully. It is so novelish. You know, I can definitely say this thing कि वो जो यूपी का जो हैंगओवर इतना एंड जो मंडेन रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी होती है यूपी में, बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैवल कर लेता हूँ यूपी, मौका मिल जाता है, वो स्क्रिप्ट से बाहर निकल गया है.
Right.
एंड आई वाज लाइक ये अगर कोई इंसान ये चीज़ बना दे तो ये मैं बिल्कुल करना चाहूँगा. एंड देन एज टाइम वेंट बाय आई गॉट टू नो कि ये सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं एंड इट वाज ओनली गेटिंग बेटर ईच एंड एवरी डे.
Right. You two, of course, play the brothers. Rasika, you play the wife of Kaleen Bhaiya, and we'll come to Kaleen Bhaiya. She's an interesting figure because she's someone who's in this very testosterone world. She's a woman character who actually is very empowered. Even though she's the wife of a gangster or a don. Gangster is the wrong word. He's a businessman don. She's a really empowered character. What appealed to you?
Actually, the thing that appealed to me most about the script, about this part, was that it's dramatically different from anything I've been cast in before.
Correct.
So that was a huge relief and a source of excitement for me. I think that what I really liked about her is that she's very aware of her desires.
Right.
And fearless about exploring them. That's the best way that I can say
Is
it.
that rare to find in the movies or in the content that's being produced?
I think women are rarely acknowledged as sexual beings.
True.
I mean, except when they're objectified,
Yeah.
and or as a object of titillation rather than somebody who's living life and sort of playing to their desires. And that's rare to find. It's a fine line, it can tip here and there.
True.
And it's about how you're viewing it. It's about how, the set of experiences that you view something with, and how it's made. But when I read it, I really felt that she was empowered for this reason.
And you see it in the first scene that she's introduced in,
Yeah.
which is of course the love scene, and just the way that scene plays out and the way that she speaks.
Yeah, that's great. I love that. I love those lines.
So rare to be able to speak in a
गरम करके
project.
ठंडा छोड़ देते हैं.
It's in the trailer as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
तो मुश्किल से महीने में 1-2 बार कर पाते हैं आप, ऊपर से हर बार गर्म करके ठंडा ही छोड़ देते हैं हमको.
बहुत गर्मी है, चकला पे बिठा दें.
Pankaj ji, Kaleen Bhaiya, really interesting character because he is a gun trader. He's a carpet trader who's sort of smuggling guns. He's a respectable sort of don. In many ways, अगर आपके performance के nuances नहीं होते तो it could have been very similar to the character that you played in Gurgaon, for example.
Yes, yes,
Tell me about what for you. आपको क्या लगा कि मैं किस तरह इसको गुड़गांव के उस कैरेक्टर से सेपरेट कर पाऊंगा? क्या ये of course the worlds are very different.
Yes, yes.
क्या चीज
वही
थी?
था, ये मुझे भी जब कहानी सुना था तो मुझे ये डर था कि यार ये बहुत समहाउ सिमिलर है गुड़गांव वाले से, तो कैसे इसको अलग करूं कि वैसा ना लगे। बाकी इसके प्लॉट में प्रीमाइस ऑफ कोर्स आपने जो बताया कि है वो अलग है उससे, तो मुझे लगा कि इसमें एक जो नॉर्थ का ट्रेट होता है ना कि एक इनहेरेंट ह्यूमर होता है,
जी।
बहुत सीरियसली, तो मुझे लगा गुड़गांव में वो नहीं था।
जी।
तो मुझे लगा उसको थोड़ा वैसा बनाते हैं, गुड़गांव से मोर लाइव बनाते हैं इसको, थोड़ा ज़्यादा जीवंत है। गुड़गांव वाला मोर इंटरनल था,
Right.
ये उतने इंटरनल नहीं है, वोकल भी हैं, बोलते भी हैं ये। तो वही छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स हैं जो थोड़ा सा अलग करती हैं दोनों परफॉर्मेंस को। तो यही था कि
मैं
हाँ,
आपको बोलूं एक सीन मुझे जो बहुत पसंद आया, अब मैं बता रहा हूँ वो सीन है जहाँ वो आदमी आपके पास आता है, आप उन्हें नई गन देते हैं और बोलते हैं अब आप यूज करो, वो कहता है मैं राइट हैंडेड हूँ, अब से आप लेफ्ट हैंडेड
हो गए, अब से आप लेफ्ट हैंडर हो गए और आगे रहोगे जिंदगी भर।
Tell me what it was like working together, working with this. There is of course, I mean, we must acknowledge Dibyendu, who's wonderful as Munna Tripathi, as there's the Shriya, there is Shiba Chadda, who's wonderful. Is it for you? I mean, does your game improve when you're working with good actors?
Of course,
Yes,
there's no other
definitely.
way.
ऑफ कोर्स जब हम बिगनिंग वाला सीन कर रहे थे तो ये क्या लेके आती थी रसिका, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था, मैं देख रहा था रसिका को, इसने बोला बस मैं लौटा देता था आराम से। तो अच्छा एक्टर हूँ तो मजा आता है दोनों के लिए
जी।
इक्वली।
There's no other way for a scene to work except with a good co-actor. I mean, you can't do anything by yourself as an actor. If you believe that, then you're being delusional.
What about the chemistry that the two of you have? Because y'all are of course Guddu Bhaiya and Bablu Bhaiya. Y'all are the two brothers. What was it like? I mean, did y'all have to? Did y'all know each other very well before you made this?
Not exactly. नहीं.
No, I mean we obviously knew of each other, and I with my sort of notorious this thing, I've landed up last day on. I never got to sit also.
There was no workshops. You didn't have enough time.
I just missed everything because that whole time we were promoting Victoria and Abdul. So yeah, but जब मैं मिला हूँ ना तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ।
Something magical happened. मुझे मतलब मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ कि इनसे पहली बार जब मैं मिला था, likewise I knew of him and क्योंकि मतलब जहाँ से हम कहानी पढ़ के आ रहे थे
Correct.
वो ऑलरेडी
on paper itself, they're written so differently.
written
The
as-
physicality
yeah.
is very different.
yes and personalities are also very different, but I somehow when I reached the set I already had this perception कि ये गुड्डू भैया है and he turned out to be गुड्डू भैया।
और वो दिखता था मेरे सीन्स में, मेरे दोनों जब आते थे ना तो मुझे लगता था गुड्डू भैया बबलू आए हैं, बिना कुछ किए मुझे लगता था पहलवान आ गया और ये पहलवान आ गया।
and it just got better with time क्योंकि ओरिजिनल सीरीज है, वक्त थोड़ा ज्यादा मिल जाता है, लगभग 2-3 महीने आप एक साथ रहते हैं and तो every single day it just got better with time and which later on we realized that we have similar likes, we have similar ideologies probably in a lot of ways. He is in a lot of ways like my older brother.
Right.
Yes, I have an older brother, मतलब 5 साल बड़ा है, तो he in a lot of ways is like him. तो मेरे लिए कैरेक्टर के साथ साथ अली को जानने में कुछ ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं हुई. It was like हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल एक जैसे ही है.
Yeah, I remember. मतलब I just felt our personalities outside in our lives as Vikrant and Ali are very different from जो अंदर चल रहा है. Like there's a lot of things. ये कुछ और है ये, and you'll see glimpses of that in Mirzapur.
Okay.
Which I thought for me are some of my favorites. You know what I'm talking about.
I want to know.
तो गन्स की मदद से डर नहीं बढ़ाना है, डर की मदद से गन्स बढ़ानी है। शुरू मजबूरी में किए थे, अब मजा आ रहा है।
Because on the show, he is quite the sort of this character is quite the bandmuthi. You don't really know. I mean, I have to say again, I'm not going to give away, but the key choice that you make, I was like, really, that's which is nice when something surprises you.
Yes.
You kind of you have expectations because you're so used to seeing things play out in the same way that when he makes that key decision, I was like, he also makes that decision. This guy, I sort of expect him. He's the I mean, he knows how to grab opportunity. He sees an opportunity and says maybe we should go for it. So that's interesting. What I want to ask you is, what's the freedom? And I say the word freedom, but what did this show allow you? Because by virtue of the fact that it's on a digital platform, by virtue of the fact that it escapes censorship, what freedom did it give you, or what liberties did it allow you, which perhaps would have not been available had it been a feature film or had it been for television? Did you feel that y'all had while working on it, and I felt it certainly with the language, with just the way sexuality is dealt with. A lot of these things are you don't get to see in mainstream movies.
In cinema, probably.
But while working on it, did you all feel more free?
I mean, if I may say so, I don't know if I should call it freedom exactly, because you know, after a point, it's आपको इतनी जब छूट मिल जाती है, you don't want that much freedom. It's almost like, in fact, pushing you towards, you know, luring you into using those extra words.
Correct.
Yeah,
and that's also tricky. You don't just miss. You're right. Don't, so in a sense, go overboard because you have that freedom. And sometimes that was a.
वो बहुत गलत है,
Saif Ali Khan told me that about Sacred Games. He said that, you know, there were times in that show that I felt, yeah, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. मतलब गालीज, just because we can, we're going too far. How to make sure that you all don't.
Very thin line. There is a very thin line.
सर क्या है ना, जब एक कहावत नहीं है इनफैक्ट, कि बेलगाम घोड़ा होता है ना, जब घोड़े को लगाम छोड़ दिया जाता है ना, तो उस घोड़े को लगाम का एहसास होने लगता है।
Right.
वही
कि मुझे कितना करना है। तो अगर आप क्रिएटिव हैं और जेन्युइन हैं कि सनसनी के लिए हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, कि यार एक सेक्स सीन डाल दो, थोड़ा लोग शॉक हो जाएंगे, तो वही है कि लगाम हट जाता है तो भी एहसास तो होता है लगाम का कि हमें करना क्या है या क्यों करना है ये। जैसे मैं जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, या तो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में या फिल्मों में, कि जहाँ मैं गाली दे सकता हूँ, मुझे लगता है 10 बार कि क्या जरूरी है क्या देना।
exactly.
इसके बगैर भी ये बात उतनी ही अगर पहुंच रही है तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है देने का।
मुझे तो बहुत कम मौके मिलते हैं, तो खुश हो
मुझे
जाती
अक्सर
हूँ।
मिलते हैं हर किरदार मेरे लिए उतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होती है कि दे दो। हमें लगता नहीं जरूरी है क्या देना, सनसनी के लिए नहीं देना है, कुछ हो जाए।
Right.
वो अवेयरनेस होनी बहुत जरूरी है, दैट्स वेयर, जैसे रसिका कह रही थी कि अकेले आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते। It is always a team effort. You need to be aware. You need to know what direction you want to head into. And for something like this, as I said, जो इतना समय लेता है, you need to be very well prepared. आपकी 6 महीने लगभग प्री-प्रोडक्शन चलती है, and then you're into the principal photography. तो वो awareness होनी बहुत जरूरी है।
Right.
You definitely can't go overboard. We've seen it ourselves. बहुत सारे projects हमने देखे हैं,
Correct.
जहाँ पे it's sort of you feel uncomfortable while watching it. That's the trick of it. It's very important that you know कि आपकी क्या foundations है project specific.
Right.
What is the requirement? But I would also want to say it is freedom. Like Ali, I wouldn't say freedom है, but it is a better position to be in. I really enjoy probably doing digital content because my observation skills are real life. मैं सोसाइटी से चीज़ों को उठा के ला के कैमरे के सामने रखता हूँ, तो मैं उनको डिपिक्ट कहीं ना कहीं इन मोर ट्रू सेंस कर सकता हूँ।
Right.
कहीं ना मतलब लाइक यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड विद लिपस्टिक एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड लास्ट ईयर विद अ लॉट ऑफ अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स। तो वहाँ पे फिर इट्स अगेन लाइक कैच 22 सिचुएशन, ये भी वो भी आप कहीं फंस जाते हैं।
करेक्ट। स्टोरी टेलर के पास फ्रीडम है इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, बट उसको फ्रीडम का इस्तेमाल भी आना चाहिए।
जी, Rasika, you had a few years ago, you had Kissa. Wonderful film, wonderful performances, great subject, but a film unfortunately that didn't travel. And then in this year you had a film like Manto, which limited release, and yet a film that made a noise. I mean, that itself is sort of significant of how much has changed in what, maybe 5 years?
Yeah,
Yes.
Do you recognize that? Do you see that as an actor?
Yes, I do. And also, but I think the digital space has done that a lot for actors like me. I mean, the first time that I tasted many people watching a piece of work that I had done was with Chutney, which was a short film I did, which has now over 120 million views. Wow. So that was the kind of reach that an actor had never seen. And many actors like me have sort of had that space in the digital platforms. Sumit Vyas, Naveen Gasturia, all these people.
Correct.
So I think it's a very, very good thing to have. It's a very good time to be an actor.
Does it for all of you actually, and specifically for some of you who work a lot in movies, does it become hard to choose your projects? Pankaj, you're also doing Sacred Games, and I know in the second season that's the character that has a very key role. You're also making the movies. For all of you, is it now harder? And do you just treat them as I'll do whatever is a great role, it doesn't matter what platform it's on? वो जो एक चीज थी, and I think filmmakers used to feel that कि अगर थिएटर में नहीं प्ले हुआ तो वो पिक्चर नहीं है यार. Do you feel we've overcome that?
Yes.
यार मैं तो
We still at a
I'm
transition
having
period.
attachment issues.
अटैचमेंट है मेरा ना वो 70 mm का है वो
मुझे
रहना
भी
चाहिए
रहना भी चाहिए।
वहीं से शुरुआत हुई थी we should not forget like it's
मतलब
but
वो
that
holding on to
progress
that
is-
romantic idea
हाँ
of a
यार,
dark theatre
पूरे
is still
लाइटें
there.
ऑफ करके और सबसे बड़ी बात है कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग की बात
Right,
कि आप
the
वहाँ
shared
ग्रुप में
experience.
देखते हैं
Correct.
आप 300 लोग एक साथ देख रहे हैं
जी।
डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म आप अकेले देखते हैं तो उसका एक कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग का एक अलग आनंद है
Right.
तो ऑफ कोर्स हाँ ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे बहुत बड़ा है हमें इक्वल मजा आता है दोनों जगह पे पर दोनों की अपने अपने कीमत है
Yeah, the accessibility of this is endearing, but it's also not
एंड
romantic.
सेम टाइम यहाँ चैलेंज ये है कि बहुत आसानी से उपलब्ध है व्यूअर्स को देखना उतना ही आसानी से उपलब्ध है व्यूअर को वहां से वापस जाना
बिल्कुल
That's true.
true.
बटन हाथ में
That's
है
True.
ऐसा नहीं कि टिकट खरीद ली तो बॉक्स ऑफिस काउंटिंग हो गई
अब
आपको
तो अच्छी
पसंद आया
लगी या नहीं लगी बैठना ही है.
तो यहाँ कंटेंट पे बहुत लड़ाई है जैसे हमने मिर्जापुर में कि यार हर वक्त हमारा पुनीत रहता था सेट पे एक लाइन इधर से उधर हो तो हंसते हुए आए सर वो लाइन ऐसा वो आप भी बोले अच्छा है वो बहुत बढ़िया था
Exactly, हाँ, used to do that. Manipulator है वो.
ऐसे आके कान में बोल के ऐसा बोल
Writer
जाए
है.
You know, we spoke about your character, Rasika, but I really want to take a moment to talk about the women on this show. Now, in a show which is really largely about violence and about angry men, what empowered women and what spirited women, whether it's the young girls, whether it's the daughters, whether it's Shreya's character or Shweta
Shweta.
Tripadi's character, the first time she's introduced. Now you take a girl from like that, who we've seen in Masan and we've seen in Haramkhor, and you give her a scene like that,
Yeah.
and I'm sort of not going to spoil it by giving anything away. Could you recognize that? Was that refreshing to see just how far the writers were willing to go, how far the actors were willing to go in creating women who feel real?
It was a relief for me when I read the script, and not just for Beena, but like you said,
Yeah.
for Golu and for Sweetie also. I really felt.
Or Shibha Chadda's character, who
Yeah.
Shebaz is the most twisted, I think. It's my favorite character in the entire series.
see,
Twisted.
I've only seen 2 episodes, so I've only seen the bit where she uses the gun.
Oh no!
But,
There's more.
there's more.
But yeah. The women have. I don't know. It's the men. I felt like I become totally goofy with Shreya, and it's this वो बिल्कुल मतलब वो सब all this doesn't come in handy. All the alpha male
Correct.
attitude, nothing. It all goes for a toss because it's such an empowered character. For instance, like Shreya has Sweetie. Or Shweta, or even our sister, I think, is badass.
That's true,
She
Limpy,
is
yeah.
badass.
Yeah,
मतलब
she's also cool.
उसका तो angle ही, but I
Ashita
love
has
it.
done it really well.
Yeah.
So,
I think that it's all the women have what traits we would assign as masculine and feminine.
Correct.
You know, and it's not that they're losing out one for the other. That's what's interesting about it. That ambition, which is understood as possibly a masculine phenomena, is also very much present there for the women.
Right.
And I thought that was interesting. That the acknowledgement of them as sexual beings is also there.
Right.
And just you sort of get to see the feminine side of the men also. That's what I like. And
That is true, actually, yeah.
क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें एग्जिस्ट करती हैं
Correct.
और जिस दुनिया को हम दिखाना चाह रहे हैं जो यूपी है वहाँ पे आप ही रोट अ ट्वीट द अदर डे कि 10 गज पे भाषा बदलती है कल्चर बदलता है ट्रेडिशन बदलता है एंड इट्स अ सर्कस आउट देयर
And the humor, which is just incredible. It's almost Tarantino-esque humor because of how well ingrained it is with the violence. There's that little moment. I'm just going to give it away. There's that little moment because where you all have to make that very important decision. You're locked in that room, and the guy comes in for water or
Ande.
something, and he says, "Ande." I'm like, this
did
is
you
not.
add that? Was it there?
No, it was there.
I was thinking about it. It was
We
there.
added other things, but that was there. It was there. It's
Just
Puneet's
the little bits which are incredible. I mean, someone's ear gets chopped off and he puts it on an ice tray, and then that ice tray quickly gets used for something else. Finally, I want to ask you. With Sacred Games, the bar has been raised quite high. The world is now watching. Certainly, it seems like this is no longer just an Indian show, and the same will be true of Mirzapur when it goes out on a platform where worldwide people can on the same day the world can, if they like, tune in. What do you think it is about this story that makes it universal? It is a very Indian story. Actually, at its heart, it's obviously a very North Indian. It's very true to its world. What do you think it is still about this story that makes it universal? That makes it something that will travel and appeal to someone sitting in America, someone sitting in France.
The lawlessness. I think people world over crave for
You can relate to that.
It's the innocence, actually. I'm sorry I'm saying this, it doesn't go with this, but the innocence. Everybody, bad, good, whatever, हम अपनी कहानी में हीरो है ना,
Right.
चाहे वो विलेन है, चाहे वो अपनी कहानी, तो सबकी एक innocence है कि वो, and it really explores that. So when I remember you said Gangs of Wasseypur, मेरा उस वक्त भी ख्याल आया था the previous question, that there are also very unassuming characters. कि दूध के धुले मतलब ऐसे कॉलेज पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं ये लोग, और फिर सडनली एक गन लगी हुई है और मतलब एक टाइप हरामी टाइप हैं.
Right.
सो गैंग्स में आप शक्ल देखिएगा आपको पता लग जाएगा कि ये है मनोज वाजपेयी है वो है वहाँ, मतलब जिस तरह आपको भी दिखाया उसमें, आप खड़े हैं वहाँ पे दिखता है कि काट डालेगा साला, तो देख के ही फट जाए. यहाँ पे क्या है कि पास आके वो फिर वो यूं चुपके से बोलेगा, आपकी दग जाएगी, यू वुड नो. So that is
Right,
the world of
like your
Mirzapur.
father, the first scene, his introduction scene, who thought he's going to bash up that guy?
Exactly. That's amazing because Mirzapur is that world they created that everybody somehow.
But
this is the base level.
वो survival
Gun
instinct
तो
है. मेरे हिसाब से वो survival instinct है. जो
Actually, that's
universality जो
the,
है.
yeah.
Right, right.
वो survival instinct मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
They'll do whatever it takes to.
क्योंकि I think irrespective of all across the globe, if you see survival instinct is the most beautiful thing that we possess.
Everyone relates to.
Everyone relates to. हम खुद नहीं जानते हैं कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं जीवित रहने के लिए, या वो जिंदगी जीने के लिए जो हम जीना चाहते हैं. Worst comes to worst maybe. तो सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट है इसकी यूनिवर्सैलिटी जो मुझे लगता है, यूनिवर्सैलिटी जो मुझे लगती है. एंड सी आई पर्सनली थिंक एवरी सिंगल पर्सन, नो वन इज ब्लैक और वाइट. हर इंसान के अंदर ग्रे, ब्लैक, वाइट और रंग भी होते हैं बहुत सारे.
Right.
हमें बहुत रंग है.
हाँ. तो यही है. एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल रिलेट टू इट क्योंकि वी हैव सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टर्स इन आवर स्टोरी जहाँ पे हर इंसान, जैसे एज ही सेड, हर इंसान अपनी कहानी में हीरो है. हर इंसान अपने मन में सही है, चाहे वो गलत कर रहा है वो उसको करना पड़ रहा है.
Correct.
क्योंकि वो उसको लग रहा है उस वक्त वो सही है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कनेक्ट करेंगी, रिलेट करेंगी लोगों से, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
हाँ, जो ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर होता है ना, कि अमेरिका में भी या साउथ अफ्रीका में या फ्रांस में भी आदमी के कमर में गन आ जाए ना तो उसकी बॉडी में क्या होने लगता है. ये मिर्जापुर में
Body language में
हाँ.
जाती है, हाँ.
Have you seen that?
और हम ग्लोरीफाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो गन आना आपको पता नहीं कहाँ ले जा रहा है.
Correct.
अभी थोड़े दिन पहले
वो है.
जो कॉन्फिडेंस की बात कर रहे थे,
होता है, हम हर कोई.
Actually, does anybody in our show not have a gun? I'm trying to think now.
That's true. Everyone seems to have one. Yeah.
साहब,
Actually, thinking about the kid.
लेकिन मेरे पास गन से भी ज्यादा पावरफुल चीज़ है, वो एक कलम.
बोलना मत, बोल दिया तुमने.
He's the accountant. He's the bright one in that family. Right.
सारा हिसाब किताब.
Can't wait to watch the rest of the episodes. It really is like a drug, I've seen 2 episodes. I really want to know इनको क्या होता है, आगे जाके क्या होता है. Can't wait to watch them. All the best and many congratulations
Thank you
on what
so
seems to be a
much.
lovely show. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.